Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the meeting location in Calendly. And that could be a physical location or just a tool that you use to run the meeting. So that could be Teams, it could be Google Meet, it could be whatever it is, right? So let me show you. So you can either create a new meeting or have an existing meeting where you want to change it. I'm going to choose, for example, this one-on-one meeting here. So I'm gonna basically open up the meeting, right? So you can click on the meeting and open it, and you want to find the section where it says location. Click the drop down there for location, and whatever location you have there, you can just remove it by deleting it, and that's going to expand or give you more options. Now click on the all options here, and you can choose, like for example, Google Meet or WebEx or whatever it is, or even set your own custom one, right? Or you can say ask invitees. It's really up to you, but just choose one. I'm going to choose Google Meet here, and for example, click and save changes. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and change your location for meetings